Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to Deeksha Foundation YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. But today we are starting again a chapter polynomials and quadratic equation in 10 most repeated questions in PYQ section. Okay, so why I have taken the chapter together? Because the questions are somewhat similar. Yes, polynomial is again this year you have only quadratic polynomial in your syllabus, you don't have cubic part. So that's why I've taken polynomial and quadratic together. We'll solve most relevant questions for us, most important questions for us from these two chapters. Right, again I've taken only 10 questions. I know you have a time crunch, so we'll solve these 10 questions quickly. Okay, and you let me know how you felt about the questions. Did you think that I missed some questions? You will again let me know those questions in the comment section. If you feel that I have missed any question that I should have done in the PYQ section, do one thing, just type the question, just copy the question in your comment section. I'm gonna try to include that questions in some other sessions. Okay, so right now bacha, let's start with the session quickly. Okay, what we have, question number 1, a MCQ from your PYQ number 2023. Okay, please check. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, then value of this. Why I've taken question over here, bacha? This question why I've taken, sir? Because what happens, no? This question sometimes is asked like this. Sometimes this question can also be asked like this, bacha. Alpha power 4, beta power 4. Okay, so similar category can be expressed and asked. So even though it's not repeated question, but still very relevant to us. Okay, please check. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial given like this. Find the value of alpha square plus beta square. We know the formula for this, right? What's the formula for this? Alpha square plus beta square equals to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Won't you agree? That's the formula of this value. Yes, and we don't know, even though we don't know this part of the expression, but we know this and this. How comes from the polynomial which is given to us? So we have x square minus ax minus b. So find the sum over here. So sum will be given by minus b by a. How much is that? Minus of minus a, right? So minus of minus a by 1, correct? It'll become bacha plus a, right? Plus 8 becomes, and alpha into beta will be simply c by a. How much is c, bacha? This value is c, so it becomes minus b by 1. How much is that? Simply minus b. Put it over here in this expression. What I get is check this out, a square minus 2 times of minus b, giving me value as a square plus 2b. So option which is correct is option number B, sir. Good question or not? Very good question, sir. Not good, very good question, sir. Let's have a look at question number 2 now. This was easy, right? We just had to use formula of a plus b the whole square. Once we use that, we get the right answer in a minute. Okay. The value of k for which the equation, you can see this again, has equal roots. Now this question is bacha from the quadratic equation. Again what? Nature of roots, right? Again this is very important, very relevant to us. So let's solve this question quickly again. What I have over here is equal roots, right? What is the condition for that? D value has to be equal to 0. What is D value, sir? B square minus 4ac has to be equal to 0. Agreed? Yes. What is B value, sir? Minus 4. The whole square minus 4 times of A value, sir. Coefficient of x square 1. C value, sir, simply k. Check it out. What I get? I get, sir, 16 equals to 4k. Hence k is nothing but 4. How come, sir? Just make this 4k on this side, making it positive. Okay, and we get k equals to 4. Option number C is correct. Option number C is correct. Okay, question number 2 was also very easy, asked in 2021. Now I have a assessment reason for you as well. So I want you to try to guess. Do one thing, pause the video here and try to solve from your side, and let me see what is your correct answer in the comment section. Okay, question number 3, what is the answer going to be, bacha? Check here. If one zero of the polynomial is reciprocal of the other, then a is 5. For this given polynomial, they're saying zero number 1, let's call that to be alpha, is basically they're saying that reciprocal of the other. Alpha is reciprocal of the other, right? Cross multiply, bacha. Alpha into beta will be equal to 1, right? What it means? Product of zeros equals to 1. Okay, we already have the product from here. Please check. C by 5. What is C, bacha, in this case? A, right? It will become, so product is given by, we know this, product is what, bacha? alpha into beta is given by a by 5, and that is given here as 1, which will make this value a equals to 5. I think then assertion is correct. A equal to 5. Correct, sir. Assertion is right. Let's look at the reason now. What we have, product of zeros of quadratic polynomial px given like that is c by a. Correct, no? That's what we've used here. That's what we've used here. It means option A is correct. It means option number A is correct. Yes, we are using this formula, right? For the product C by A, please check option number A is correct. C's value over here is A and A value over here is 5. Compare, no? Compare this and this. Okay, chali. So question number 3 is done. Moving on to question number 4 now. Let's quickly solve this question as well. What we have here is alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Okay. Given like this, find the value of k if alpha plus beta is equals to alpha into beta. Means basically they are saying, bacha, sum of the zeros is equal to product. So what is sum going to be given here by? We know the formula, minus b by a equals to c by a. Right, from here what we can get, bacha, minus of minus k by 6, right? There will be another minus sign outside. 1 second. I think I changed the slide by mistake. We'll go back. So minus of minus k by 6, though. How come, sir? This value is, bacha, the value of b. Check here. B itself is negative, minus k by 6. Minus k minus 6, okay? What is going to be this value, bacha? 2k plus 1. What about a, sir? A is, bacha, 1 over here. Nothing is there. Only 1. That's why not taking over here. It becomes positive. So k minus 6 becomes equals to 2k plus 1. Do one thing. Bring k on this side and bring 1 on this side. Minus 6 minus 1 equals to 2k minus k. So I get 2k minus k. So minus 7 equals to k. Minus 7 equals to k. That's your answer. Find the value of k. Asked in CBSE September 2010 and 2012 paper. Very good question. Okay. It was only a 2 marker. So can be asked this time as well. Okay. Similar question can be asked. That's why we are taking these questions over here. The concepts are very, very important. Chali. So now we'll move on to question number 5. Fourth is done. If alpha beta are the two zeros of the polynomial, okay, find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are. Excellent question, bacha. Excellent question, sir. How do you solve it? How do you solve it? Alpha betas are given 0, right? So do one thing. Once the polynomial is known, 25p square minus 15p plus 2. That's all we know for the polynomial. Let's call the polynomial to be, bacha, f of x. I can write that like this. That's the standard form of writing the polynomial. So they have given the zeros as alpha and beta. So sum will be given by minus of minus 15, divided by 25. How much is that? 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. So 3 by 5, correct, no? 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. So 3 by 5 is the sum. About product, we'll have, bacha, minus 15p, no, just simply plus 2 by 25. Plus 2 by 25, that's correct. Now what are we looking for? We're looking for the polynomial with this 0, okay? Zeros are, for the new polynomial, zeros of, let's call it px, okay, is given as 1 by twice of alpha and comma 1 by twice of beta. How do you find, bacha, any polynomial with this standard form? If you remember, x square minus sum times of x plus product p. And how do you find sum, bacha? Your sum will be given like this. Sum will be 1 by 2 alpha plus 1 by 2 beta. 1 by 2 beta, what is the answer going to be? 2 alpha beta is common, right? That's the LCM of 2 alpha into 2 beta. What's the LCM, bacha? 2 alpha beta, okay? How much is that going to be? Beta plus alpha. So what I have so far is, sum is turning out to be, check here, 2 times of 3 by 5, okay, and divided by 2 times of 25, 2 times of 25, right? So what I get here, bacha? I get here, check this out, this 2 and this 2 is cancelled, this cancels, bacha, this like this, 4, what I'm getting here, 5 5s are, no, excuse me, okay, so what I'm getting here is 5 5s are 25, okay, so what I'm left with is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is my sum value, okay. Now what about your value for product? Product will turn out to be, check this out, 1 by 2 alpha into 1 by 2 beta. Okay, this will become 1 by 4 alpha beta. So 1 by 4, how much is that, bacha? 2 times of 25 will become, bacha, 25 by 8. 25 by 8. I think something is wrong over here. Alpha plus beta upon alpha into beta, right? So it will become, bacha, how much is that going to be? 3 by 5 is there, no? 5 is 15 and 5 is 25, correct only. It will become 2 times of that. No, why I have taken over here 2 times of that? One second. There's a mistake here, sir. There is a mistake here, sir. Right? Yes. 1 second, just give me 1 second here. Calculation mistake, bacha. This is it, right? What I'm getting now, check this out. 5 to 25 will go up, so 15 by, how much is that? Over here there is going to be 2 row. It will become 4, right? Please check. This alpha into beta is 2 by 25, right? If you multiply this, you have to multiply 2 times of this, no? 2 into alpha into beta. So 2 times of 2 by 25 will become 4 by 25. 5 and 5 is cancelled. 5 goes up. 5 is 15 by 4. If you're not sure, do the calculation. I think I missed that 2 over here. I multiplied over here, no? That's a mistake. So please change that. You're going to get alpha, some value over here. I'll highlight it over here. The sum value will be, bacha, this. Okay. And product is 25 by 8. So your equation turns out to be, I can write it over here only. Let's check. I'll just erase this part and write this answer over here. Please check. Your answer I'm going to mention on this side. Okay. So it'll turn out to be, the polynomial px will be given by, have a look, x square from this formula minus, what I have is 15 by 4x plus 25 by 8. Now multiply everything with 8, bacha. What are you going to get? 8x square. He'll come here with minus 30x plus 25. Plus 25. Please check. How comes I multiply with 8, no? So 8x square, you're going to cancel with this, with 2. So 15 into 2 is 30 and 25 remains as it is. So 30x and 25. Okay? Chaliye. That's your answer. Please check. If you're getting a different answer, let me know. If you're getting a different answer, let me know. So this is your final answer for question number 5. There was a mistake here. I changed it. I just kept this 2 over here, no? That's why it's cancelled and getting me the wrong answer. It should be coming down, right? 2 alpha beta is there. That's why 2 into 2. So 4 by 25. Cancel this. 15 by 4 you'll get. Okay. Question number 5 is done. It's a good question, sir. Question number 6 now. Okay. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. X square plus x minus 2. Find the value of this. As I said, no, in the MCQ section, questions like this keeps coming, bacha. You'll see now. Okay. So they're asking to find the value of this, no? Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So that question was asked, the MCQ number 1 was asked in 2023, right? This is asked in 2024. Please check. So relevant, the questions are very, very relevant, bacha. The questions are very, very relevant, sir. Take the LCM. What I have is alpha into beta. I'll get over here alpha square. Over here I'll get beta square. Same thing I had to find the value of alpha square plus beta square. Correct. Plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by this. What is going to be the, bacha, sum? Minus 1, no? Over here, minus 1 ka square, right? Minus 2 times of, what, bacha? Minus 2, right? Divided by minus 2, right? That leaves me with 1 plus 4 by minus 2, right? That leaves me with this value as minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. It's a 2-mark question. Please check. 2-mark question, sir. Asked in 2024. Please check. The answer is minus 5 by 2. I hope this is clear. Minus 5 by 2. Alright. Minus 5 by 2, sir. Clear? Now, question number 7. The equation over here gives me, okay, it's a quadratic equation. Of course, in x, check here. X square, x and the constant term has equal roots, then so that this condition is true. Asked in CBSE 2017 paper. 2017 paper. Okay. Why I've taken this question? Because looking at this now makes this question look difficult, but actually it is very simple. I'll show you when I solve it. I know you must have solved it somewhere, but still let's solve this question right now as well. So what I have, sir, for equal roots, only one thing. Condition of roots. What is that going to be? D equals to 0. Let's apply that. Okay. So what I get? b square minus 4ac, the formula, equal to 0. What is the b value over here, bacha? The b value is 2mc. So right here 2mc the whole square minus 4 times of a, this whole thing, 1 plus m square times of this bacha c equal to 0, right? 4ac, c value is this, no, c square minus a square from here, right? For equal roots we have, this is for equal roots, right? For equal roots, chaliye, what are you going to do about this? Square it up. I'll get here 4m square c square, and here I'll keep minus 4 as it is. Check this out, 1 times of this bacha will remain same, c square minus a square. What I get for the last term? I get here plus m square c square minus m square a square equals to 0. Correct? Expand it now. What I get now? Here 4m square c square minus 4c square, okay? What I get over here, minus 4c square minus and minus plus 4a square, and what bacha? Plus 4m square c square, excuse me, this will be minus, right? Tell you minus, sir, excuse me, that will be minus, sir, because of this minus sign, right? Okay, sign change. Chaliye, last bacha plus, so plus 4m square a square equals to 0. Check this out, this minus with this, minus 4 ac square here minus 4a square here will become plus, right? Yeah, and this becomes a minus and this becomes plus again. What I get, this is cancelled. What I have now right here like this, minus 4c square, and the last two terms plus 4a square plus 4m square a square equals to 0. Correct? Do one thing, bring this term on the other side. It will become 4, I can take a square common. What I have is 1 plus m square equals to this bacha 4c square. I am bringing this term on this side of the equal to sign. This from here to here I am bringing. Not a problem. Okay. 4 and 4 is cancelled. That's what we have to prove. C square equals to this bacha a square 1 plus m square. Check this. Check this. We have proved it, right? Simple question. Once we are dealing with any type of question like this, no, stick to basics. Stick to basics. Whatever you know, you apply that, you'll get the result. Don't worry about the result. Stick to basics. Apply your concept. Result will be with you for sure. Okay. Please check question number 7 is done now. Question number 8 we'll solve quickly. Find the values of p for which one root of the quadratic equation is 6 times the other. Okay, basically what they're trying to say here is, if the first root is, let's say, alpha. If the first root is, let's say, alpha. What's the second root, sir? 6 alpha. Second root is, sir, 6 alpha. Correct? No, that's what it means. 6 times the other. First is alpha. Second root is, sir, 6 alpha. Is it difficult? Of course not. Okay. So, we can find the relation between sum and product to get our result. Let's just do that. So, sum, sir. Sum of roots. Okay. Sum will be same thing, alpha plus 6 alpha. How is that given by? Minus b by a, the formula remains as it is, 7 alpha. Correct? Okay. What I have bacha minus b by a as? Check over this. Minus of minus 14 is b, by a bacha will become p here, 7 alpha. Okay. So 7 2s are 14, giving me alpha as 2 by p. Alpha as 2 by p. Agreed? Of course. Moving on, what we have, so product also same thing we can apply. Product, check this out, will be given by alpha into 6 alpha makes it equals to c by a, so 8 by p. How much is that? 6 alpha square equals to 8 by p. Now what can we do? Do one thing, try from your side, pause the video over here right now and solve it from your side and give me the answer. Okay, I'll tell you, alpha should come, the p value, right, should come as 3. Let's check. 6 alpha value over here, 2 by p square, 8 by p. What I get now? 6 times of 4 by p square equals to 8 by p. Cancel this, p with square. 4 2s are 8 and 2 3 is 6. What I'm getting? 3 by p equals to 1. It means p equals to 3, sir. So when p value is 3, bacha, what will happen? When the p value is 3, sir, then for this given polynomial, sorry, equation, the roots will be, one root will be 6 times the other. Root number 1 will be 6 times the other. Please check. That's your answer. P equal to 3. Had fun? Moving on to question number 9 now. A train travels a distance. Again, bacha, why this question, sir? Again, very relevant, very new. And this kind of question keeps coming. Train travels, aeroplane travels. Okay, what is happening over here? Side, they'll ask you a variable involved. So whether the speed is missing, time is missing, whatever it is, they'll ask you that. And they'll give you a statement to form equations. And then you have to solve that, form equation first, then solve it for quadratic. Okay, so you can see here the quadratic equations, what problems are very, very relevant. Means what problems can come. That's why I've taken this problem over here. So let's solve this quickly. Chaliye. Let's see what they're asking us. A train travels a distance of 90 kilometers at a constant speed. Great. Okay, had the speed been 15 km per hour more, it would have taken 30 minutes less time for the journey. Okay, find the original speed of the train. Okay, original speed of the train they have asked us from us. Okay, what are you gonna do? Assume that same thing, no? Let the original speed of train be x kilometers per hour. X kilometers per hour. Great. So what I'm going to get from here? Please check. Please check what I'm going to get from here. So what I get over here is, bacha, so I have two conditions right now. First of all, distance is given. It means distance. Can the distance change, sir? No, distance cannot change, right? Distance is always constant. So 90 kilometers is the distance that train has to travel. Okay, whether the increased speed or less speed. Okay, so let's check the time taken. Time taken when the train travels with original speed, sir. Original speed. Okay, travel with original speed. What will happen, bacha? Tell me. It'll become 90 by x hours. 90 by x hours. Now what is happening? If you increase the time, sorry, if you increase the speed, not time, if you increase the speed by how much? 15. So new speed, sir. New speed, bacha, will be x plus 15 kilometers per hour. What is the new time, bacha? What's the new time taken, sir? New time taken is nothing but 90 upon x plus 15 hours. We'll keep the unit same, hours only. Is that relevant? Okay. Now what are they saying? It will take 30 minutes less now. New speed will make the duration shorter, 30 minutes less. Okay. Which is bigger, sir? This is bigger or this is bigger? So this value is bigger. So we'll write here, sir. Check this out. 90 upon x minus 90 upon x plus 15 is equal to 30 minutes. So I want to try and these two are, bacha, in terms of hours, no? These two are in terms of hours, sir. So write 30 minutes in terms of hour only. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay. So I can just take this LCM over here. 90. Let's take 90 common now. LCM will be x times of x plus 15. It will become x plus 15 minus x equals to 1 by 2. X and x goes out. What I'm getting? 90 times of 15 into 2. Okay. Into 2 divided by x square plus 15x equals to 1. No, I've taken this 2 over here, that's why. What I get? 90 into 15 into 2, right? 2 is there, 15 is there, and 90 is there. So I get, bacha, 19 to 30, 2700. Please check. This is, bacha, 30, no? So we'll become 2700 equals to x square plus 15x. Okay. So what I get now? The equation x square plus 15x minus 2700 becomes equal to 0. This is my quadratic equation we're gonna solve. This is my quadratic equation we're gonna solve to get the value of x. Okay. How can we solve it, sir? We have to factorize this, right? What factor we can take? Check this out. 2700 I have to break up, right? 1 second. I'll put an effort to this. 2700 we have. Break it like this. I can get this bacha. Check this out. 90 into 30. Okay. One thing is that. Now I can make this as one more thing. 45 to 30 as it is. Yeah, works. Bring this 32 together. It will become 60. It will become 50, sir. Check this out. Their product will be bacha this only, and the difference is, sir, 15. Product of 45 and 60 is going to be, sir, 2700 because the factors I've taken. Okay, and their difference is bacha 50. It means factors will be suiting. Please check. So what I have so far is this equation, x square plus 15x minus 2700. I have written the factors so far. What is the factors, bacha? X square, I want positive, right? So 60x minus 45x minus 2700 equals to 0. Take x common here. X plus 60 minus 45 common here. X plus 60. So giving me the factors to be x plus 60 and x minus 45. Making the factors to be x equals to 45 and x equals to minus 60. Can the speed be negative, sir? Of course, sir, it can be negative, bacha, not velocity, speed. Speed can never be negative, it's a scalar quantity. So what is my answer? Original speed is nothing but 45 kilometers per hour for the train in the journey of 90 kilometers. Please check. The answer is 45 kilometers per hour from this. Okay, I hope this part you got. Okay, how to make factors. Try to make the simplest factor possible and look for the arrangement which will give you the middle term. Okay, question number 9, you had fun doing it. Let's solve question number 10 now. Similar question is going to be on the word problem category. Please check. This is clear. No doubt. Any doubt you have, let me know in the comment section. You let me know, of course. Chaliye. So question number 10 now, the last question of the day, bacha, from the chapter Polynomials and Quadratic Equation. You can tell me if you feel that I have missed some question. Let me know that question as well. Very, very important. Please solve these questions at least. Okay, and then you can, anything else you want from me, put it in the comment section. Okay. Shopkeeper buys some books for 80 rupees. If he had bought 4 more books for the same number, same amount, each book would have cost 1 rupees less. Okay, find the number of books he bought. Okay, chaliye. So we'll assume, bacha, the number of books to be x. Let the number of books purchased by shopkeeper will be x. Okay, number is, I can write, don't have to write the unit, it's a number, so x. Okay, so what's the, bacha, cost of per book? Or we can write it as rate. Okay, when, bacha, with the original cost, or we can write here original rate. Okay, original rate, bacha, what will that be? 80 total by x. Okay, this is rupees per books. Okay, rupees per books. 1 second, I can write better. Okay, rupees per book. These many rupees per book, sir. Okay, now what we have, he has bought more books. How many more books, bacha? 4 more books. So what will happen to the rate? Reduced, right? So what happened? New rate, sir. What is this? So rupees 80 by x plus 4. Because if you buy 4 books, what will happen? Total cost is same, no? Say they said here. Keeping the same amount. Okay. So what is the rate now? 80 by x plus 4. What is the difference? Which is more? Is this more or this more? This is higher, right? What is the difference given here? 1 rupee. Sale cost per book will be 1 rupee less. Okay, each book will cost 1 rupees less, sir. Okay, so they have given here 80 by x minus 80 by x plus 4 equals to 1 rupees. Everything is same, no? Same unit, rupees. That's not a problem. Let's take 80 common here, sir. What I get now? I get here 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 4 equals to 1. Okay, equals to 1. So let me just solve the quadratic. Form the quadratic first. It will become, bacha, x square plus 4x. Over here what I get? X plus 4 minus x equals to 1. right, which makes this x and x cancelled. I get here 80 into 4 equals to x square plus 4x. How come, sir? Cross multiplication. How come, sir? Cross multiplication, right? Bring this on this side, okay? So now what I getting? X square plus 4x minus 320 equals to 0, right? Okay, what are the factors? Simple factors here actually. X square, I want positive, so 20x minus 16x minus 320 equals to 0. How come, sir? 16 to 2 is 32, bacha. 0 will make 320 and difference of this will be 4x, right? Simple question, very simple, okay? Let's do one thing. Take x common, sir. X plus 20, okay? And minus 16 common here, x plus 20 again. Factors will be x minus 16 and x plus 20 equals to 0, okay? What I'm getting the answer as? Either x equals to 16 or minus 20. Can the cost be negative? Can the book cost be negative, sir? No, it means, therefore, what are they asking? Okay, not book cost, right? Number of books, no? Not cost, right? Number of books, sir. X is what, bacha? What is x, bacha? X is number of books, na, sir. Can the number of books be negative? No. Hence, bacha, what I get? Number of books is going to be 16, sir. It's going to be 16, sir. Please have a look. This is clear. Number of books he bought, okay, is going to be 16. Simple question. I hope you had fun learning and solving it. One last time, have a look. Chaliye. So this completes, bacha, our session today. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know your feedback in the comment section as I keep asking you. If you have not joined the WhatsApp channel right now, till this point, join right now, bacha. Very important to get this sessions PDF. If you're learning something, learn it, completely by solving the questions as well. How can you do that? Sessions PDF is available for free in our WhatsApp channel. Go ahead, check it out and download and solve all these questions. Any difficulty you're facing, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so with this, I'm going to end the session now. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like the videos, okay? And one more thing, share it with your friends. We are putting a lot of efforts to come here and deliver your content, okay? So make sure that you are also a little bit support from your side will give us a big smile on our face and more energy to come here every time and deliver what you need, okay? So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me see you in the next session, okay? Till then, take care. Bye-bye.